Runway heading 3000, runway 13, cleared for takeoff, Alpha Victor 1.
Ready for takeoff 13. Ready, sir?
Ready.
Ready, power.
Charlie, hold short of Golf 5. Victor, Romeo 3, left Charlie, hold
Stabilize.
Golf 5, air
Okay.
143.
Power is set. Takeoff hold. Speed alive.
J605
Check.
to Foxon Cross Monte, Foxon Bravo. Foxon 1 cross runway
80 knots.
6052. 131 line up and wait, runway.
A1, rotate.
Runway 1. Right, runway 1. 1331.
Positive rating.
Gear up.
Full red 189er, wind 130 at 11 knots, runway 06, clear to land. Clear to land, red 189er.
Gear up.
To
Laps up.
J6052 domestic 12325.
12325, good J6052.
Alpha Victor 1 departure
Laps
1244.
up. 1244, good day, Alpha Victor 1.
Pilot.
143, 1288.
128 air, sir, 143.
Manila Tower.
Departure, good afternoon, Alpha Victor 1, passing 1100 for 3000, runway heading.
Bye. Alpha 2044, turn right heading 330.
Right, heading 330 or 044.
Alpha Victor 1, departure identified, climb and maintain 3000, maintain runway heading.
I maintain 3000, maintain runway heading, Alpha Victor 1.
Alpha Victor 1 for higher, contact 124 decimal 8 good day.
1248, good day, Alpha Victor 1.
05 expedite passing flight of 150.
Check.
150, right, 600.
Approach, good afternoon, Alpha Victor 1, approaching 3000, runway heading.
Alpha Victor 1, maintain 3000 feet, sir, and traffic crossing at 12 o'clock, southbound Airbus 320, passing 4500 feet.
Maintain 3000, Alpha Victor 1. Ayun siya.
Oo.
Alpha Victor 1, climb initially 4000 feet.
Climb 4000, Alpha Victor 1.
4,000.
Check, 1000 to go.
Check.
3, 2.
Alpha Victor 1, climb from 5000 direct to Ipata.
Climb 5000, then Kipata, Alpha Victor
5,000.
1. Check.
Direct Ipata.
378 descent 8000.
Check.
Lap.
Ay, nako, sarap talaga, Lloyd. Nandyan.
8,000, 0378.
Malamig.